Hey everyone, welcome back to my page. You can address me as Trisha, and today I'll be sharing to you a new craft idea which I have created on the top of a cake board. Initially, I made a base coat and I let it to dry. Then I designed some Kolka ideas of my own choice, but I felt something was missing. So I thought to put some mirror to bring an extraordinary look. And here is the final look. Please let me know how is it. Thanks for watching.